Mohammad Abdullah from AI Wonders, and I would like to let you know that Google just dropped 100% discount for their AI products for long-term contracts, not just for 1 month. You can have more than 1 year. It's kind of like 15 months contract, whether you are a student or not a student. But this is for a student right now. But I will let you know that how you can obtain this discount for if you are not a student. I personally validated this thing. It works perfectly. Like, I can go you one by one step right now. Please don't skip the video, watch every details. Those tricks are important, so you will not face any problem during the sign up, because if there's a glitch happen, you will lose the entire experience. So let me start with that. First of all, what is Flowflow is the recent Google AI VO3 project, which is more superior than the other LLM projects creates the videos. Of course, we have VO1, VO2, VO3, but they are more professional. You can see this animation and graphics around these videos. It's expressive, how expressive and details these are. So you can understand, like, if you wanted to be more creative, artistic, or make some fun for your projects, university projects, or for your presentation on the corporate world, you can utilize the VO3 and VO2 for more than 1 year. And the other thing is, like, you can utilize Whisk as well. I'm telling you, this is really, really great tool to like brainstorm for artistic exercise, for advertising exercise, and whatever the product you are making for your social media campaigns and everything. This is the best tool overall. Like Canva, of course, we have Canva, like decades ago. Like, we are using the Canva since decades, many years now. But the Whisk, we can do more, better, more professional, and with in control. And it's very easy to do. I will go through these tools one by one. But before that, let's get our major discount for a year, or more than a year, as a student or not a student. So let me go to the step. First of all, the first and important foremost, you need to install a VPN software or a extension which has the capability to run proxy on your computer. So I'm using Browsec. Okay, it's free to use always. It's been so many years I'm using it. So I recommend Browsec extension, which is a Chrome extension. You can search on Browsec on Google Chrome, and then you can just install it. Once you install the browser, just start the VPN, select your destination, which is America, okay, United States, Canada, because they have limited regions right now to promote this 15 months discount, which is Canada, Brazil, USA, and few more countries. So if you are not from those countries, you can always use the VPN. Otherwise, you are lucky to use without VPN this solution. The second step is, okay, once you open this link, gemini.google.com subscriptions, okay, you will see like the Google AI Pro first month is free. Okay, so as you are not a student, you already have an option to utilize this product without paying a money for a month, but we need to have it for 15 months. Okay, so let's have how we can do this and achieve this thing. The best part is AI Pro, your email, whatever the, okay, this is important. You can't use your corporate email address for this. This is the caveat here. You need to use own personal Gmail account. Okay, so whether you can create the new Gmail account, okay, or you have your own personal Gmail account. But I would recommend 100% to create new Gmail account, because once you create your account, during that time it need to be open as a United States region. So automatically the synchronization, the Google entire AI ecosystem will not create a problem for your account. So create a new account with the new username, with the by using the location of United States, and then all you have done the 50% of the task. It's very easy. So first month is free, just normal, without any restriction. But if you want to have the 15 months discount, just follow this step right now what I'm saying to you. Okay, so after utilizing the proxy, you need to create an Gmail account by clicking this get started button. Okay, which includes the Flow and Whisk, Gemini app, Note LLM, and Gemini. All the, so the best part is, like, your Gmail account also powered by AI. So whenever you are going to write the email, wanted to respond to the emails, I'm telling you, this is the best tool, like saving your time and saving your energy as well. So without much ado, let's get started. So once before jump into the next step, I have some suggestions for you. There's a website, eTemp Mail. They are also providing edu email address. Okay, Tempu Mail also providing umail.edu email address, and imail.edu.vn also providing the email address. Okay, so you can see my verification code comes here. So I use this website, idu imail.edu.vn. Uh, so you can just can create a username for you here, and then you can I created with UXUI Abdullah. You can create with some other name. Please don't create with this, it will create a problem for you, your account. So never use it the same email ID. I just give you reference here. Create with your name with different ID, but it should have the edu. This website provides that. Okay, so you once you reserve your email ID, then you're going to create an account. Okay, it's very simple. So once you Gmail account, you can create by providing your username and birth details, birth of date, date of birth, details, birth of date, and after that. This is the interesting module. Once you create the email address, it will prompt you to upgrade your account. Okay, so there is the link behind beneath that. University student get Google AI Pro for 3 months, 15 free months. So like, what is the requirement for here? So check your eligibility. So when you click your eligibility, they just want your email address to be in an edu extension. So as I provided information earlier, that you can just sign up, create a temporary email address by using .edu extension and then validate it. Okay, so during this time, sorry, my throat is not good today. Sorry. So during this time, check your eligibility. And because you automatically consider eligible because you already in United States region, you created a new email address with the United States region with .edu extension email temporary you have, just utilize it. It will send you a pin code. Okay, so pin code you will receive like this here. Okay, once you copy the pin code, and after that it will ask you to provide your credit card details. Okay, don't worry about that, it will not going to be charged because it's a 15-month free trial. Okay, after that September 1 2026. So currently, right, I'm making the video in June, so like it's saying like after September 2026 you're going to be charged $19 per month. So technically you already locked down a price in a contract. So in future if the price is increased, but you already taking this benefit because you locked down the price, which is based on 2025. So there's no much to do here. Just put your credit card details, whether debit card or credit card details. It will not charge any money. Okay, and then when you subscribe, press the subscribe button. This will be the screen, because I have done every step, so I just take this your like screens here so you can see it, how it's going to be an experience for you. So once you subscribe, log into your account, Gmail account, and you can have this, the verification receipt and the all the details. So what I was talking about, like this part, like you can summarize the email. Once you even writing the email, you have this option to write by AI. Like totally, I would say amazing benefit this is to avail it, and it solves much problem and save our time. Like whenever we are writing the documents, we want to summarize the document and information. Think about AI going to like guide you and helping in your product and documents information. So this is it. And then the interesting part, so so after that sign up, you will have the ability to use the Gemini.Google app. Okay, from here, and you can see my current account showing pro with the subscription quota. Everything is for 15 months now. I created two videos, like with 2.5 flash and 2.4 5.5 preview. Okay, 2.5 flash and 2.5 pro preview. And you can see I just give one like prompt here, because the Gemini.Google using VEO 2, so it creates the video like this with the same prompt. Okay, okay, and this one, same prompt with flash, 2.5 flash. I think 2.5 flash works great, looks more beautiful. Okay, but yes, of course there is always some nitty-gritty details needed, because it's really really realistic. Like if you see the details of the graphics, sharpness, everything like perfect. And then for VO3, I use Google Flow, okay, and Whisk. Yes. So I gave it like same like prompt for VO3, and you can see clearly like how they made it. Even they put some Islamic Fatimah Nabeen logo. So this is really great tool to create the videos, realistic videos. But I also prepared this in like one couple swimming under deep sea with big blue whale. Okay, so yes, you need to be very expert in your prompt engineering, how to write a prompt so the relevant video comes according to that. It's because if you are weak in your prompt engineering, you don't know how to write prompting, how to write correct prompt. So the video will be difficult. So yes, of course, you need to practice and then understand how the machine understands you. But still, to be honest, it's very consistent. It is more detailed and a very realistic. Like you can't imagine like the way her hair is moving in the water. Like everything is looks much near to 90%. And this is the best tool, like the magic tool. I would say like let me show you. I made some stuff here. So this is the best part is like you need to choose the whisk, like whatever the animation, if you can choose it. Okay, the graphics you can choose it. And then you can make edit it, like make your own. So what I did this make your own, and then I modified the prompt, and then I can bring it like okay with two, three iterations. Like you can see Abdullah. You can see clearly here. So they are the things. They are the things. Like, and the interesting part is well, when I would like to animate this thing, when I went to the animate, it's telling me like, okay, you have 89 generations in a month. So what does it mean? One video equals to 10 credits. Okay. So think about it as a student or as in like experimental lab perspective, you are testing a product, a premium paid product for a 1.5 years. And if your flow account limits you, for example, the flow memberships limits you, or your two limits you, you still have 100 generations. And you can, if you are good in like right prompting, like in a good prompting, so you can have the better video output. So I made it this thing by providing this information, like the lettering covers with the grass and colorful flowers. Okay, it does it, of course it does it, but but what I wanted it was this way. So this is engraved, like appears within the letters. So that's how I need to think and perceive what I am prompting and how it's going to be perceived. So like, of course, there is going to be A/B testing whenever you are making videos and everything. And just bear this thing, keep in mind, the generation and the quotas you have, it should not exceed the limits which you already given. So let me show you. I have 960 credits now, which is currently more than enough to learn and master this thing per month. Remember that. But still, you have a great product free for 1.5 year, which currently you are paying $200 per month for big names. Other than that, so that's good. And this is for, if you like this video, please do let me know by liking and subscribing this. Thank you so much.